Hello everyone and welcome to this Zendrop and AliExpress comparison. Which is the best for your dropshipping business? Our comparison will be based on product sourcing, shipping time, pricing and fees, and other relevant information that would help you draw the line between both services. But before we dive in, if you're interested in dropshipping, check out Zendrop or AliExpress in the link, and the link is in the description of this video so you can go ahead and create your account. And now let's get started. So, Zendrop versus AliExpress. These two platforms are giants in the dropshipping world, but which one truly reigns supreme? First up, let's talk about product sourcing. AliExpress is a massive marketplace, offering millions of products from countless suppliers. You have an incredible variety, but sifting through it all can be overwhelming. Zendrop, on the other hand, focuses on curated products from reliable suppliers, often with faster shipping. They aim to simplify the process, making it easier to find winning products. However, the selection is generally smaller than AliExpress. And now we'd like to talk about the shipping times, which is a crucial factor for customer satisfaction. AliExpress is known for long shipping delays, sometimes weeks or even months. Zendrop addresses this by prioritizing suppliers with faster shipping options, often within few days to a couple of weeks, especially if you're using their US-based warehouse. This is a significant advantage, especially in today's fast-paced market where customers expect quick delivery. When it comes to product quality and customer support, product quality can be a gamble with AliExpress. You'll find a wide range, but consistency is often lacking. Zendrop aims to solve this by vetting suppliers, but quality can still vary. Customer support is another area where Zendrop tends to shine. AliExpress support can be a hit or miss, while Zendrop offers a more direct and responsive assistance, which is crucial when dealing with potential issues. Now let's talk about money. AliExpress generally offers lower product prices, thus making it attractive for budget-conscious dropshippers. However, you'll need to factor in potential shipping costs and long delivery times. Zendrop, on the other hand, might have slightly higher product costs, but the faster shipping and potentially better support can justify the price difference. It's also important to note that Zendrop has a monthly subscription fee, while AliExpress is free to use. We'd like to talk about branding and automation. Branding and automation are where Zendrop really starts to pull ahead. Zendrop offers features like custom branding on packaging, which helps create a more professional and personalized experience for your customers. They also have solid automation tools that integrate with platforms like Shopify, thus streamlining your order fulfillment process. AliExpress, while offering some integrations, isn't as robust in these areas. This can be a game changer if you want to create a branded store. So, which is the best? It really depends on your needs. If you're on a tight budget and willing to deal with longer shipping times and less consistent quality, AliExpress can be a valuable option. But if you value faster shipping, better support, and branding capabilities, Zendrop is definitely worth considering. For a long-term, scalable business, Zendrop provides more tools to succeed. Consider your priorities and choose a platform that aligns best with your business goals. And if you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to sign up for Zendrop or AliExpress using the link in the description below, and thanks for watching.